Hi guys, Matthew here from Vitesse Garage. Today we need to work on the E90. So we need to work on the engine bay. We need to install all the parts from the engine and stuff like that, water pump, all the stuff we're missing from all the last videos. So I'm gonna show you now the parts we need to try to install today. So thanks very much. Okay guys, this is the part we have. Okay, this is the new water pump, M4 intercooler and M4 charge pipe from AirTech. This thing is the power steering pump, so I just need to replace the broken one with the new one, and we put the tank and stuff like this. There we have all the rubber hose, the belt, the pulley for the steering pump. We have all the stuff, the broken stuff we need to replace, the vent for the cooler and stuff like this. I also have the line here for the oil cooler because one is bent and it's leaking a bit, so need to replace that. So yeah, let's make some progress today. Okay, first thing I need to remove this charge pipe just here because I am gonna go for a different intercooler setup, so I don't need to use this anymore. Okay, so I removed the charge pipe. I removed this line. It's the coolant line. It's broken just here, as you can see. And because we need to run now a different intercooler setup, we need to clock the turbo probably this way or something like this, but it's something we need to do later. For now, we work on the water pump, thermostat, and all this type of things. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, broken. Okay, brand new water pump. Okay, now we need to install the thermostat. First thing, I install the hose and then I can install this. Now we need to install this. Now let's install the power steering pump. So for this we have new bolt, new pulley, we have the bracket on the side, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, let's go. Thanks Monica for this bracket. Okay, now we need to change the oil cooler line. Okay, let's go. Now we need to install all these holes right there, all of this. So yeah, let's go. Very important thing, now we need to cut this hose because this thing is for the coolant tank, but because I have the turbo here, I need to put the coolant tank on this side. So I just need to cut here and put a rubber hose like this. So yeah, let's do this quickly. Okay, this is my old hose, so I just take this one and I put on that one. Okay, now we need to make space to see how we can fit the M4 intercooler and fit all the missing things like the coolant reservoir and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. Okay, now I need to remove the charge pipe. As you can see here, now we have a lot of space to work. Now I need to install the steering pump reservoir. So I need to install the same way as it was before. So I need to pass this in here like that. Okay, so now you have the M4 intercooler here. This is the sensor. As you can see, the sensor is broken. We need to change that quickly. As you can see here, completely broken. This one is the same sensor, this one 3.5 T-map sensor. Okay, this is the block off of the AirTech charge pipe. It's not beautiful, but for now it's okay. This hole right here is for if you want to run MET, like injection or nitros or something. You have this hole here for that. Okay. Now we need to install the charge pipe. Okay, so now we need to start the engine and see if we have no issue, no leak, no stuff like this. See if everything is correct. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I start and I see a little leak here, so I just tight a bit more, and a little leak as well on this one, on this little cover. So yeah, I just tied this one off camera. I need to start again and see if it's better. Okay, so yeah, it's still a failure. As you can see here, it's a bit shiny, so it's still leaking a bit, you know. So yeah, I need a new gasket. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so now guys, we have a couple issues. I'm gonna show you this now. Okay. You see this? Let me explain you. This hose is for 335i. Okay? This radiator right here is for 320i. Okay? And now my issue is this hose is very long, so I need to modify this one. Yeah, next time I need to remove the complete front end again, put the radiator bracket and stuff like that. Yeah, but now the issue is this. I really need to find a solution for that. Probably cut a bit, refit this like this, I don't know. But yeah. And why I run the 320i radiator is just because now I don't need to have an intercooler on the bottom, and this radiator goes from the top to the bottom of the car. I show you here. Because I supposed to have here an intercooler, but yeah, now I don't need intercooler anymore, because I go for the M4 water to air intercooler. So yeah, more space for better cooling. that's why I run the stock 320i radiator. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you like this type of content. I share everything with you, all the success, all the failure. I tell you everything because it's not something really current to see this type of setup. So yeah guys, thanks very much, and yeah, let's continue. Okay guys, as you can see, I removed the cover. I cut this part just here to have a better fitment with the air-to-water intercooler from the M4. So now I just need to refit this cover and see if it's better or not. Okay guys, the fitment is very good, as you can see. Yeah, very happy with this. Okay guys, I hope you like this content, and yeah, it's very different, but I'm very happy for that. It's the very first time I fit this type of intercooler in this on the N54. So yeah, thanks very much guys. Yeah, see you on the next video. Plenty of things to do on this car. Thanks.